Hi everyone and welcome back. We want to create another look now, only this time the couture look from our inspiration from our model Attica. It builds on our commercial style, so check it out. To create a little bit more volume at the back, simply use crimpers just at the roots. My favourite product to create this look is StyleSign Dust Up. It gives grit to the hair and is great for creating volume. Thank you for watching and make sure to tune in as there's new videos each and every week.